Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to add overlays in Capcut. Now, let's jump right into it. To get started, open Capcut on your mobile device. Make sure the background video is selected. If not, tap the back button to deselect. At the bottom, click on Overlay, the icon with an M. Tap Add Overlay, and your camera roll will open. Select the video you want to overlay and tap Add in the bottom right. The overlay video will appear on the timeline. Ensure the overlay video is selected, green outline. Pinch with 2 fingers to resize and drag it to your desired position. For example, you might want it as a face cam in the bottom left. You can add more overlays or edit the existing one. Tap on the overlay video in the timeline, and use the edit options. You can add text, music, or even more videos as overlays. Once you're satisfied with your overlays, click on the back button to make adjustments to the timeline. To save your project, press the Save button in the top right. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to add overlays in Capcut.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.